Hi everyone, here we've got POCO X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So firstly, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, it doesn't really matter. And right now we have to find the contact we would like to customize and tap on it. So let me pick this one and let's tap on Edit Contact. Now we have to tap on this camera icon right in the middle, and your device gives you an opportunity to either take a photo and then it will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or we can simply choose a photo from the gallery. So obviously I will pick this option, so let's tap on it, and here your device is asking you where you want to complete this action, so we can use our own gallery, the file manager, or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery, so let me tap on it. And let's find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. Right now we have to again decide where we want to complete the action, because we have to crop the photo. So we can use again the gallery or Google Photos. So this time let me pick Google Photos, and here you have to give the permissions to access photos. So simply tap on Allow. Let's tap on OK, and as you can see, from this level we can adjust the size of the square and position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. So just position it like you want to, just zoom it in or zoom it out. Here you can also rotate the picture, so as I said, it's really up to you how you want to set it. If you are happy with the results, just tap on Done here. Remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the contact has been successfully saved, and after getting back you can see this photo on the contact list, and also you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number or whilst texting with it. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your POCO X3 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.